Is your TikTok shop acting up and displaying that annoying something went wrong message? Don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. First, let's try the simplest solution. Close the TikTok app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close it. On an iPhone, you'll swipe up from the bottom to reveal your recently used apps, then swipe the TikTok app card upwards to close it. On most Android phones, you can either swipe up from the bottom or tap the Recent Apps button, usually a square or 3 lines at the bottom, then swipe the TikTok app away. Now, reopen the TikTok app and see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes. If that didn't work, head over to your phone's settings. This is where we'll clear the app's cache. Scroll down until you find apps or applications. The wording might vary depending on your phone. Tap on it. Now, find TikTok in the list of installed apps and tap on it. Look for storage or storage and cache. Tap on that. You'll see a clear cache button. Tap on it. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or videos. This removes temporary files that may be causing the problem. If clearing the cache alone doesn't work, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Be warned, clearing data will log you out of TikTok and might erase settings. Reopen TikTok, log back in, and check your shop again. Hopefully, that something went wrong message is gone for good.